Hello everyone, today I received an email in which a follower asked me how I make clips in which the photo moves. I will leave a link to the iPod video. Everything is done in 2 steps. First select a picture, click the upload button and the program will give you the opportunity to download a moving photo after face recognition. You can also use drawings, however, not all photos can be processed. In that case, the program will inform you that the person is not recognized and that the process cannot continue. In my case of 5 photos, the program managed to process 3 photos. You have the right to use the program for 14 days for free. I will leave you a site, not a referral link, but an ordinary site, and you can also find it through Google or Presearch. Presearch allows you to earn tokens with each search. On this occasion, you can also find the Deep Nostalgia site through Google, and you can start using the Presearch site because the Presearch site enables you to use the Presearch site to earn tokens, which you can later sell for real money like other cryptocurrencies, with every search, identically to Google. Thank you for watching the clip. If you want to follow the channel, leave a like and once again, earn tokens through the Presearch site.